if you heard about it, comment down below. If you don't, then they basically have different type of languages and stuff, and you can go and you can just like, you know, practice. And they start like with like good morning, hi, how you doing, like food stuff, you know, and just like basic stuff. And trust me, like you learn a lot. Come on. This is a big box though. The shoes is not even that huge. Anyway, I'm a size 8. Hopefully it doesn't look big. I don't like shoes that appear like huge on my feet though. Like that's not a big pet peeve. Like you have to look small. My best friend, she has small feet. I don't know why I just mentioned that to y'all. But anyway, come on. I want to show you guys everything, you know. Just say Puma over here. Yeah. I don't care for this. My phone is in charge, so. Ooh. Looks so fancy. Okay, the big box needs to go. It comes with like a plastic bag, I guess, to protect it. Thank you. Okay. And this is Fenty. It's like, you can't really, oh, there you go. This is Fenty. It's like really, it's like faded Fenty. I don't know. But where's the, at least when it says 8.5, I'll die. Yep, size 8. Oh my gosh, hopefully that's the one. I'll be so mad if that's not the one.
It looks like on my feet. Oh my gosh. It looks so nice. I actually like it. Oh my gosh. This is different. Like the leather is kind of different. But I like it. Oh my god. I was worried it was gonna look a little bit big, but it looks actually perfect. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey. Hey. Alright. This is Fenty Bariana. You really see it. This is Fenty Bariana. You have to really. Yeah. Yep. I like how they look. Yeah. And you have that little thing. You can't take it out. Oh yeah, you can. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that. So you can take this out. The one that says Fenty Bariana. Nice. It looks so, oh my gosh. Please, I kept saying oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. But I didn't know that. And it does change. Like the sneaker looks so different from like that one to that one. I like both. Hey. Just put it back. And that's it. Okay. 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 Yep, guys. I'm wearing leggings. I'm wearing leggings. I'm wearing leggings. I'm wearing leggings. Hey. Yeah, that's what it looks like. But one thing I would say is, if you get the shoes, you have to be careful because if you're just a person who like to wear fluffy socks, thick socks, like that might be a problem. You would have to get a size a little like 8.5. If you're 8, you should get like 8.5, just a half up, just because it is this type of shoe. It's kind of like the Nike Harachi, I think I'm saying it right, where it kind of fits you like a gloves. Like it just fits you like you're wearing socks and stuff. So you kind of have to like think about that if you're the type of person who wear thick socks. But if you don't, if you wear like socks like this, so it's kind of thin and it's like summer socks, then you should be fine. But yes, I'm done.